The great news is should the steering wheel fall off because of this mystery sound, at least we've got a spare one in the car.
Because you never know.
You never know when you need a spare steering wheel.
Look, it's broke.
That doesn't sound good. What do you mean something's broke?
So, as we were coming down the dual carriageway, me and Liam were just pondering life, and we heard a bang coming from, it sounded like the wheel arch on that side.
Right.
And then it proceeded to ping around the wheel arch.
Okay.
Then sounded like it went underneath the car, along the prop shaft, and we could track it all the way along and then out the back of the vehicle. And we don't know what it was, so we took it pretty ginger.
Okay.
Tested the brakes, seem okay. So yeah, we just need to try and figure out what it was.
Don't scare him, I think he's scared already. Oh, that doesn't sound right.
Yeah, that doesn't sound good, does it?
Should that do that?
Yeah, that seems fine. But we'll just pretend we didn't see that. I can smell rubber. That's it.
Ah, it's my new hose.
Glorious. New hose, but that hasn't fallen off, has it?
I think it's something to do with the...
Yeah, hear that?
Should we turn, do you want me to turn the wheel?
Yeah. Maybe the engine's not alright. Good job the engine's warm. Yeah, that's not supposed to do that. The power steering pump is causing the belt to slip. It is loose
Right.
though.
Okay.
Need to tighten.
Yeah, because obviously as you're putting full lock onto the car, the pump is going under pressure. So it's causing that to slip because your water pump's stopping.
What happened to the other half of your exhaust?
It's not the exhaust.
And what was up with that wheel?
Is that ABS thing?
ABS, yeah, there's a cable going to the ABS sensor, and that I cable tied it onto the shock.
That's what that knows.
It's got like a little metal bracket on it, so I couldn't figure out where it went because it was so rusted.
Yeah, that's definitely that.
Sounds
Right,
like
so that's that
noise
kicking
from the
one.
wheel. So
Okay.
actually, I don't think we've got an issue with this.
Okay, so we're back down to just the clunking noise you heard.
I think
Well, yeah,
it's a stone.
the bit that we lost, it could have been a stone.
Okay.
Unless it's the airbox.
Lost a little bolt off that drop down. Ping.
Or maybe it was the clamp off the battery.
What?
The battery isn't very secure.
That looks okay.
What else is wrong with this thing?
Nothing, it's perfect.
Most of the bushes look knackered.
But they might not be, it might just be the fact that they're crusty on the outside. If there's no play on them, then they're fine.
Well, do you think these
That's
brake
it.
lines
It's
look
got
alright?
child lock on it.
Realise, is it still on full lock?
Yep.
What are you looking at? Yeah.
Let me just take you in for a closer look. I mean, that looks alright, doesn't it? Yeah, yeah, that'll be fine.
Oh,
Now what? Okay, so if we touch things, they fall off.
Don't touch anything.
we've got to get home, Dave.
Yeah, I don't like that one. Is that just that bolt?
It looks like it's on
So
these
the-
like rubber
Yeah,
mounts.
if you see this one here,
No, we can't see.
yeah, if you look at the rubber grommet, whether we can get down there. There's a rubber grommet. That's supposed to sit in a little channel.
Yeah.
That one's actually perished. So it needs a couple of bits.
Can I glue gun it?
Prick stick.
Yeah, why not? Yeah, I'm not sure that it's anything serious.
It could have been a stone, couldn't it?
It could have been.
It's just there was like that little, almost like a little rumble after it, wasn't there?
It's the fact that we chased it all the way down the car. I think is the thing.
Might need to
Well,
weld
it'd
in
take
a
7
new,
years to get down the other end of the car, wouldn't it?
Okay. Let's see if we get home.
Well, this will be an adventure, won't it?
Yeah, see if we make it.
Good luck.
What's
I'm
your
going.
thoughts, Dave?
Well, it's bloody stupid, isn't it?
What's stupid?
You buy a wreck.
It's not a
Try
wreck,
and use it
it's a
today.
fine piece of Swedish technology.
Dave, have you seen how shiny the bonnet is now?
It looks brilliant on the camera.
It's so smooth.
It's absolutely fabulous on the camera, look.
Yep, that's a great bonnet.
Until you do.
They're just Monster Energy symbols.
Yeah, that's
Right.
it.